Even healthy veggies can worsen gout if you eat them wrong. Let's explore 12 that need extra care and safer ways to enjoy them. Gout occurs when too much uric acid builds up in the blood. It forms as your body breaks down purines found in meat, seafood, and even some vegetables. When the kidneys can't remove uric acid fast enough, crystals form in the joints, causing pain and inflammation. That's why even healthy veggies can worsen gout if you don't eat them the right way. 1. Spinach. High in purines. Right pointing arrow. Boil quickly. Discard the first water. Pair with cucumber or bottle gourd. 2. Mushrooms. Contain purines and glutamate. Right pointing arrow. Steam or make light soup. Only 1 to 2 times a week. 3. Asparagus. Tips contain the most purines. Right pointing arrow. Eat 3 to 5 spears per serving. Boil and drain. Avoid daily use. 4. Cauliflower. Moderate purine level. Right pointing arrow. Steam or boil lightly. Avoid frying. Eat up to twice a week. 5. Green peas and chickpeas. High in plant protein. Right pointing arrow. More purines. Right pointing arrow. Soak thoroughly. Discard soak water. Eat half a cup per serving. 6. Okra. May slow uric acid elimination. Right pointing arrow. Boil and discard first water. Eat 2 to 3 pods per meal. 7. Bamboo shoots. Rich in purines. Right pointing arrow. Boiled 2 to 3 times. Discard the water. Avoid pickled or fermented bamboo. 8. Malabar spinach. Moderate purine level. Right pointing arrow. Cook in light soups. Combine with bottle gourd or celery. 9. Baby spinach. Higher purine concentration. Right pointing arrow. Steam briefly. Add a few ginger slices. Avoid mixing with red meat. 10. Green beans. Medium purine food. Right pointing arrow. Steam or boil briefly. Avoid oily stir fries. Limit to 2 to 3 times a week. 11. Amaranth leaves. Contain both purines and oxalates. Right pointing arrow. Make light soups. Discard first water. Eat with brown rice or pumpkin. 12. Wild or bitter greens. High in purines. Bitter taste can reduce uric acid excretion. Right pointing arrow. Eat occasionally. Never during gout flare-ups. Don't worry, you don't have to avoid vegetables completely. Choose alkaline veggies such as cucumber, bottle gourd, celery, pumpkin, and Chinese cabbage. These help neutralize uric acid naturally. And remember, drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Sleep well, and limit alcohol and red meat. Your body will thank you. Subscribe to the channel for more science-based tips.